And this camera, I don't know how I'm gonna have to sign into YouTube. Are you petting your fish? Silly boy.
It can dive in the water.
Don't make a mess now. Let him swim.
I love this guy.
Oh, I'm so happy that you love this guy. That makes Grandma happy.
This is all their stuff, Mom?
I think so. You might want to look in it real quick.
Yeah, that's all.
Wow. It's like a racing fish, isn't it? Hunter, I'm going to go check on Sister. Excuse me.
Oh, you pretty?
I'm going to go check on Sister. She is out. Got her Dora. What, baby? You don't want to come watch Spirit with Grandma?
You can watch it.
We can.
Here,
Take
got
your
some on your foot.
take your pants off and you can leave your slippers on. And then we can check on your fish later, okay? Where's Grandma's remote?
I love this movie.
Do you love this? This is my favorite movie too. Let me see. Play. If I know how to work this thing. Play movie, it says. Here it goes.
And the hearts in the middle comes our life. Don't son.
Mm-hmm.
What?